Hello. Welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is Context Change Week. Here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thanks for following along. Today's tip is to practice your form in a new place. It might not be an entirely new place, but my point here is not in the usual place. Maybe that's a different room of your house. Maybe you practice at work instead of at home. Maybe you practice it at the gym or in the parking lot of the gym rather than in the gym studio room. Maybe you practice it by the beach or before you get to the vista on your usual hike and practice on the path somewhere, because we're all in the path somewhere. The idea here is to not necessarily seek new challenges by finding a new place, although it might be challenging, but it's to consider, maybe contemplate, maybe just enjoy the curiosity of the varying places. And perhaps they suggest a new meaning to the postures and energies that we practice. Perhaps they suggest new connections between the different postures and practices and energies that we have, the different jins in our Tàijíquán practice. So that's your work for today. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thank you for supporting us and subscribing and sharing and commenting and all that kind of stuff. So keep changing. By that I mean stay the same and also keep changing. Love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.